Have you ever learned a new English word, felt so proud about it, and the next day completely forgotten it? It's frustrating, right? You think, but I just studied this yesterday. Don't worry, you're not the problem. The method is. Because unless you do this, you'll keep forgetting English words, no matter how much you study.
Cherish English.
In this video, I'll show you what this is, and by the end, you'll know how to remember every new word you learn forever. So grab a notebook because today we're going deep into how memory really works and how to train your brain to keep English words for life. Part 1. Why you forget words. Here's the truth. When you learn a new English word, your brain doesn't store it perfectly. It keeps it in temporary space, like a short-term memory folder. If you don't use it or see it again soon, your brain deletes it. It's called the forgetting curve, discovered by scientist Ebbinghaus. After just one day, you can forget about 70% of what you learned, unless you review it the right way. So the question is, how do we fight the forgetting curve? That's where the magic word comes in, spaced repetition. But before I show you how to use it, let's make something clear. The wrong way to learn words is this: writing long lists, reading them once, and just hoping they'll stay in memory. They won't, because your brain needs context and emotion, not just repetition alone. Part 2. What you should do instead. Step 1. Learn words in context. Never learn words alone. Always learn them in a sentence or a story. Instead of memorizing abandon, to leave behind. Say, she abandoned her car in the middle of the road. Now your brain has a picture. It can see the situation. That makes memory much stronger. Why it works? The brain memorizes stories, not data. So each time you learn a new word, build a story around it, even a funny one. Example: my phone abandoned me today. It died right when I needed it. Step 2. Use the word right away. Within 10 minutes of learning a new word, use it in speaking or writing. Try this. At the end of your study session, say each new word in your own sentence. You can say it aloud or write it in your journal or send yourself a voice message. Because speaking or writing creates a physical connection in your brain, and that locks the word in place. Step 3. Review with spaced repetition. And now we're coming to this from the title. To never forget, review the word on this schedule. After 1 day. After 3 days. After 7 days. After 14 days. After 1 month. That's how memory gets built. You don't have to study long, just quickly review the words on those days. You can use some apps or even a paper notebook. The key is spacing, not cramming. Step 4. Connect words to your life. If you make a personal connection, you'll never forget the word. Example, let's take the word exhausted. Instead of just memorizing it, say, I'm exhausted after teaching 3 classes today. Now it's not just an English word, it's your word connected to your life. Step 5. Use active recall. This is another secret trick. Don't just read your notes. Close the book and try to remember the words yourself. Ask, what was the word for very tired? Ah, yes, exhausted. That small struggle to remember is what creates memory. If learning feels easy, you're not learning deeply enough. Part 3. 5-minute daily memory training. Now let's make it practical. Here's a 5-minute routine you can do every day to keep English words forever. Minute 1, quick review. Look at 5 to 10 words from your notebook or app. Say them aloud and try to recall the meaning without looking. Minute 2, sentence creation. Use 3 of those words in new sentences about your day. Minute 3, speak out loud. Tell a short story or a situation where those words fit naturally. Minute 4, listen or watch something. Play a short YouTube clip or podcast and try to spot those words in use. Hearing them in real life makes your memory even stronger. Minute 5, reflection. Ask yourself which words I always forget, which one feels natural. Then write or record a quick voice note about your progress. Part 4. Bonus tricks to remember forever. Trick 1. Group words by topics, not alphabet. Your brain connects related ideas faster. Example, instead of random lists, study kitchen words or emotions together. Trick 2. Use imagination and emotion. Create a funny or emotional image in your head. If a word makes you feel something, it sticks. Trick 3. Teach someone else. Explain the new word to a friend or a family member. Teaching forces your brain to recall and organize. That's deep learning. So what's the this? And you'll forget English words unless you do this. It's not one app, not one method. It's the habit of reviewing, using, and connecting words to your life. Because language is not about memorizing it, it's about living it. So from today, stop writing endless lists. Start building memories. And soon you will realize you don't just remember English words, you own them. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to Cherish English. Tell me in the comments what's the word you keep forgetting. I might include it in the next video. See you next time. Bye bye.